So yan guys, nandito kami sa Gold Branch ngayon kasi magha-hiking kami. Maganda yung weather ngayon guys, hindi siya malamig. And today is Sunday, sunny day. So ayan, here's the view.
I know I could easily take
Yan guys.
just a
Ang baho naman ang basura eh. What is that?
metal pole.
Okay, leave it there. It's not yours.
The main
So ito yung pinaka-entrance niya guys. May entrance fee pala ito. Entrance fee station. So ayan. And what is this? Gold Branch. Ayan. Chattahoochee River National Recreation Area. Hey, wait down. We will wait Papa here, right? So, hintayin namin si Rob guys kasi wala nang parking dito na ano na siya. Puno na yung parking area kaya hinatid niya yung car niya doon sa kanyang friend. And me and John Mark maghihintay dito. So, ayan guys. John Mark is so excited to go hiking. Ganda ng mga kahoy guys. Wala pa siyang mga dahon. Yung ibang kahoy ay namumulaklak na. And ayan. Ang daming nagha-hike ngayon. So, ito yung ano nila map. This is the map. You are here and maps, trails, parking land, park rolls, biking on trails is not permitted in this unit. Pits must be on a leash. It is your responsibility to clean up after you eat. Please pack out all trash. Park address 5690 Lower Roswell Road, Marietta, Georgia. So yan.
What's that?
What is that?
This looks like quartz.
Huh?
Looks like quartz.
Still have more there.
There?
Get it. At ayan guys, dahil magha-hiking tayo ngayon at nagkakaedad na tayo ng 50, so kailangan may baon tayong efficacent oil para ni sa kabuhi guys, sa rayuma, lipong-lipong, o di ba? At least naman ready tayo. Hindi talaga to nawawala sa bag ko kasi nga lagi akong nahihilo. Ayan, kaya malaking tulong tong efficacent sa akin.
Bomb shelters that have like 4 of them in that town. So
Tagal naman ni Papa mo dyan, Mark.
Hey, Mom.
Huh?
I know a way.
Mm-hmm.
If you think there are some spider webs over there,
Mm-hmm.
you just grab a stick and then point it out in front of you.
Okay.
That way it will, break all the spider webs.
You need stick?
Yeah, so that the spider webs can't get us.
Okay. Go find stick.
This one is busted for.
This one. This one stick.
So that's a freaking branch.
No, it's okay.
It's too big.
And then you're big too, right?
Don't call me fat.
Magagalit siya guys pag sinabi kong malaki siya. Don't call me fat now. You're not fat. Right?
What did you call me big?
Okay, we go. Ay, naku. Ang tagal naman ni Robert, oy. Let's go. Never mind.
No, I'm staying here.
Okay. I will go now. Bahala kayo dyan. Mauna na ako. Ang tagal kasi ni Robert.
Dude.
You're heavier than me.
Hey, that's good there.
Okay, we go.
I think we just found a bouncy board. Oh, in here.
yeah, it's a big. It's always covered up.
It's about 1.25 miles from our front yard to here.
Oh,
So it's just a nice little warm up run to go from there to here.
And the
Public.
parking was full, right?
yeah.
Parking was horrible. People were
Yeah.
still coming in behind us looking for something.
Yeah. Mama was about to go without you.
Crazy, John Mark.
Mama wanted to go without you.
Yeah, I think so. I remember.
Hey, Mom.
Hmm?
Do you like sir?
Did you guys find a soil?
Huh?
You found soil?
Hey, Mom.
What?
Does your legs hurt?
No,
Alright.
I'm okay. You see the dog. It's a nice dog.
She's training for the. Maybe she's training for a trail run.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I wish I could just put this stick in that river. No, that river is crystal.
Yeah, it's clear, right? It's not dirty.
I wish I could put my stick.
You remember we drink before? But it's not in here. It's in the bamboo forest. You remember? We drink the water.
It was so clean that
Yeah?
it could be drank
So
from.
naubusan kami dati guys ng tubig. Tapos may nadaanan kaming maliit na lake na ano, ganyan pero malinaw yung tubig. So uminom kami. What's that first?
Right here. See? So, just a question which way we want to go.
Yeah, we're here. See, it's highlighted.
Put a plant. There's the dirt.
You want stick? Careful dyan, Mark.
Hey, Mom, I thought we were gonna get the dirt for the plants.
Oh, yeah, later, okay?
Alright.
We're gonna find some nice... Yeah. Let's go hiking.
Let's go poo pee.
Are you okay, bata? Mawala gani ta dong.
This is left, so we always go left.
Left or right? So yun guys, nauna na si Rob at ang kanyang friend.
They go right.
Iniwan na nila kami. So, hindi ko alam kung maliligaw ba kami dito o hindi ni John Mark. Let us see.
Hey, Mom.
Mm,
Look at that.
yeah. Oh! Oh, did you see that?
There's a butterfly.
Yeah, it's a butterfly. Ayan, okay. So yun guys, oh, ang ganda ng kahoy. Di ba inuulam yan? Inuulam. Ganda. Go there, John Mark. You want to take picture? Ha? Nalingaw siya sa butterfly. Go take picture. Oh, it's a blue butterfly.
Yeah,
It's blue.
pretty rare.
Yeah. Giubo ka naman dong. Oy, wala pa gani. Keep going. Keep going. So maganda dito sa kakahuyan ngayon guys kasi walang mga dahon. Makikita mo yung mga view. Ayan, hindi kagaya dati na may mga dahon. Wala kang makita. So ngayon, makikita mo pati mga lake. Ayan, malinis. Kaya lang, hindi ako marunong sumunod sa ano ba to, yung mga araw-araw nila. Bahala na ako, maligaw kami. So ayan. May malaking kahoy na natumba. Hi. Agoy, gihangak naman ka dong. Giubo naman ka dong. Wala pa gani ta naka 1/4. Tingnan nyo si nanay guys. Matanda na pero malakas pa rin. So yun guys, nakikita na yung lake. Ayan o, malaking lake. It's a big lake, right? Second bridge. Pangalawang bridge. I see the dog. It's a big dog. Oh, ayun guys, oh, may butas. Hala. Hala, ano tong butas na to? Parang kakaiba. Look. Yeah. Huh? No. Crazy dyan, Mark. Kakaibang butas. Iba yung naiisip ko, guys. Okay, go! You want to climb?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
One small step for man. One big leap for humanity unknown. Am I doing it? I'm actually doing it.
So yun guys, may nakita kaming ahas oh. Dalawa yan sila, tumakbo yung isa. Ang bilis. Ewan ko anong klaseng ahas to, kulay brown. Ang ganda ng kulay. Run, John Mark! Run, John Mark! Nanghihina na si John Mark. Kapoy dong? Kapoy? Hike pa more. Kapoy jud mag-hike dong. Pero kinahanglan dong para mo gamay ang tiyan. Hike dong para mo gamay ang tiyan dong.
I said I can't run.
Dagan dong. Dagan.